Welcome back to Factful Finance, where we make your financial journey clearer, more actionable, and a lot less stressful. Today, we're tackling a question that so many of us have. How can we boost our credit score in just 30 days? Yes, you heard that right. No need for years of waiting. With the right steps, you can make noticeable improvements quickly. So let's dive in and unlock the secrets to boosting your credit score fast. But before we get started, just a quick note. This video is for educational purposes only. Listing apps or products doesn't imply an endorsement. For personalized advice, always consult a professional. Now let's get to it. A solid credit score isn't just a number, it's your financial reputation. Think of it as your ticket to lower interest rates, better loan offers, and even job opportunities. With the right actions, you can boost your score and start reaping the rewards much sooner than you might think. So, what exactly can you do in 30 days to improve your score? Well, let's break it down into 5 powerful steps that will work for most people. Step 1. Check your credit report for errors. First things first, get a copy of your credit report. You can get one for free each year at annualcreditreport.com. Review it thoroughly to ensure there are no mistakes. Maybe an old bill that you've already paid is still showing up, or an account you don't recognize has appeared. These errors can drag down your score. If you find something inaccurate, dispute it with the credit bureau immediately. Just last month, Olivia, a viewer from Portland, discovered a medical bill marked as unpaid that she had settled months ago. After disputing the error, her score jumped by 15 points in just a couple of weeks. Step 2. Pay down credit card balances. This is where many people see immediate results. Credit utilization, the amount of credit you're using relative to your limit, makes up 30% of your credit score. Ideally, you want to keep this number under 30%, and even better, under 10%. If you're carrying balances close to your limit, try paying them down as much as possible. Let's say Liam, from Chicago, has a credit card with a $5,000 limit, but owes $4,500. By paying it down to $2,000 in the first week, he could see an improvement of 20 points within 30 days. Step 3. Don't close old accounts. It might be tempting to close old accounts, especially if you're not using them anymore. But here's why you should think twice. The length of your credit history accounts for 15% of your score. The longer your credit history, the better. If you have old accounts with no annual fees, consider leaving them open. It will help keep your average account age high and your credit utilization low. This is something many people miss when trying to boost their scores quickly. Step 4. Settle any outstanding collections. If you have accounts in collections, it's time to face them. Yes, it's uncomfortable, but paying off those debts can have a positive impact on your credit score. In fact, according to recent data from FICO, settling collections can raise your score significantly, especially if it's the only negative mark on your report. Emma, for example, had a $1,000 account in collections that was holding back her score. Once she negotiated a settlement and paid it off, her score jumped by 30 points in a month. Step 5. Avoid opening new credit lines. You might think that opening a new credit card or loan could give you an immediate boost, but it actually does the opposite. Each new application for credit triggers a hard inquiry, which temporarily lowers your score by a few points. Let's take Noah's example. He recently applied for a new credit card in hopes of building his credit, but the inquiry pulled his score down by 10 points. While it can be useful to diversify your credit mix over time, avoid doing so if you're trying to improve your score in the next 30 days. These 5 steps are practical, effective, and don't require a significant amount of time. But remember, credit scores don't improve overnight. You'll start to see results quickly, but consistent, positive financial habits are what will keep your score climbing. So what's your first step going to be? Are you going to start by checking your report for errors or paying down that credit card balance? Let us know in the comments. And before you go, if you found this video helpful, why not subscribe? That way, you'll never miss out on more actionable advice that can help you achieve your financial goals. If you like what we're doing here, give us a thumbs up and we think you'll find our next video helpful too. Thanks for watching, and remember, every small step you take is a step toward a stronger financial future.